Welcome back to the Council website. It's been 3 years since we launched the new design, and we wanted to take a moment to demonstrate some of the new features and enhancements that have been rolled out recently. As always, from the home page, you'll be able to access the upcoming Council meeting, as well as the previous meeting materials, which include things like the decision summary document or perhaps meeting recordings. We've also expanded under Council meetings details on the upcoming meeting page. From this top level, you can now see the meeting date range and location, as well as have quick access to things like the agenda or ePortal as they become available. If we go to our previous meetings section, you'll notice the new search functionality where you can drill down to specific meetings using the search, such as June. It'll showcase all of the June meetings in chronological order, or you can drill down even deeper by year and it will bring the specific meeting that you're searching for so that you can get to it faster than the previous way of paging through all of our old meeting records. We are also now populating quick access links for popular things such as decision documents or perhaps meeting transcripts here along the bottom. And by navigating over to the briefing book section, you'll notice the same search and year filtering functionality is available here as well. Navigating back to the upcoming meetings page, and specifically to the upcoming March meeting, we'd like to showcase the enhancements made to the meeting page itself. The date range and the ability to quickly add it to your calendar has been added here at the top. The location of the meeting, as well as when the advisory bodies and the council session is to begin, is listed here. And we now have all of the deadlines listed for public comment, as well as advanced briefing book and supplemental briefing book deadlines at the top of each meeting page for the entire year of 2023. And finally, below, we've now improved the visibility of how you may navigate around the council meeting itself. The council meeting pages are intended to be your one-stop shop of where you can access things such as the meeting agenda, the ePortal for public comment, how you might join an advisory body who's meeting remotely at that meeting, and then have access to things like our how-to and frequently asked questions section, which includes things like how to fill out an expense claim using Concur. These tiles are more visible than the previous button approach, and they also will update in real time as the meeting progresses. Back on our home page, you'll notice that we have a hot link to our calendar down at the upper right-hand corner of any of our web pages that you might visit. Scrolling down to the upcoming events section, there's another quick link to the calendar there. And just a quick recap on how the recent news and upcoming events section displays information. Upcoming events is intended to show the next 5 events or meetings that are occurring in chronological order, whereas the recent news section is where we may make announcements that there's meetings that are coming up, or perhaps that the newsletter is available. And in this example of the Groundfish meeting, it was posted on February 13th that they have a meeting that's coming up on March 27th. But because there's so many other meetings that are occurring before the 27th, you're not going to see it on the upcoming events section unless you click the View Calendar link, which will take you to the calendar view. Here we can navigate to the next pane, which will bring us to the March meetings, and we can see that on the 27th, that Groundfish meeting is visible here. The next enhancement is around your ability to go back to previous meetings and listen to the meeting recording. Since 2020, we've been doing a YouTube live stream of all of our council meetings, and each meeting has its own YouTube playlist. We've linked those to our website under previous meetings. But one little known feature is the ability to expand the description field and show more, which will get you to the bookmarks for each agenda item to more quickly navigate through each day's agenda. The next enhancement is related to our public comment portal. From the home page here, you can navigate to an old or current council meeting. You can now download attachments using the link at the top, and you have a few choices here. You can choose to select the top check mark to select all of the public comments. You can individually select specific comments that you might want to download and review, or you can use the search function on the right and specify which agenda item you want, in which case it'll showcase all the attachments under E1 in this example for you to select and then choose to download. Our final 2 announcements are that we've updated our Concur video. If you expand the navigating the council menu item and then navigate to travel and reimbursement for Concur, there's a brand new video here to showcase the new Concur interface for when you need to fill out your expense claim. The other announcement is that we've revived our newsletter, which can be found under news and events, and then newsletters and press releases. And there's the 2023 newsletter. I hope this overview was helpful in showcasing some of the new features and enhancements to the website. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.